Hello everyone. Optical communication. Anna University online examinations. Important multiple choice questions with answers. First question. A single WDM which operates as both multiplexing and demultiplexing device is called dash. Bidirectional WDM is the correct answer. Next question. Dash states how light react when it meets the interface of two medium having different reactive indexes. Snell's law is the correct answer. Next question. Dash is produced by the non-linearly in the refractive index in single wavelength links. Self-phase modulation is the correct answer. Next question. Dash is produced by the non-linear in the refractive index in WDM system. Cross-phase modulation is the correct answer. Optical CDMA is transmitting the signal as pulse light instead of dash waves. Electromagnetic waves is the correct answer. Next question. The device which simulates mode equilibrium over a short length of fiber are known as dash. Mode filters is the correct answer. Dash is the minimum received optical power required for a specific bit error rate performance in the digital system. Quantum limit is the correct answer. Quantum limit is the minimum received optical power. The lowest noise amplifier device which is widely available is the silicon dash FET. Field effect transistor is the correct answer. Next question. The dash characteristic, dash characteristic the performance of a photodiode. Responsivity is the correct answer. The responsivity characterizes the performance of a photodiode is the correct answer. Photodiode. The average number of electron hole pair created by a carrier per unit distance. Travel is called dash. Ionization rate is the correct answer. Ionization rate. Next question. Dash is a measure in watts of the optical power radiated into a unit solid angle per unit area of the emitting surface radiance. Emitting surface. Radiance is the correct answer. Radiance is a measure of watts of the optical power radiated into a unit solid angle per unit area of the emitting surface is the correct answer. Radiance. Next question. Optical confinement is used to prevent absorption of the emitted radiation by the material surrounding the dash. PN junction is the correct answer. Carrier confinement is used to achieve a high level of radiant recombination in the active region of the device with shield high dash. Quantum efficiency is the correct answer. Dash is the condition at which light amplification becomes possible in the laser diode. Lasering is the correct answer. Next question. Absorption phenomena due to impurity atom present in a fiber is called dash absorption. Extrinsic absorption is the correct answer. Dash is a measure of decay of signal strength or loss of the light power that occur as light pulses propagate through the length of the fiber. Attenuation is the correct answer. Dash in glass is the same phenomenon that scatter light from sun in atmosphere, giving rise to blue sky. Rayleigh scattering is the correct answer. Dash bending occurs when the radius of curvature of bend is greater than the fiber diameter. Macroscopic bending is the correct answer. Dash bends are repetitive, small scale fluctuation. Small scale fluctuation in the radius of curvature of the fiber axis. Microbends is the correct answer. The dash wavelength is defined as a minimum value of wavelength that can be transmitted through the fiber. Cutoff wavelength is the correct answer. Dash are not transmitted through the fiber axis. Skew wave is the correct answer. Skew waves are not transmitted through the fiber axis. Dash is used to describe the light gathering or light collective ability of an optical fiber. Numerical aperture is the correct answer. Numerical aperture is used to describe the light gathering or light collecting ability of optical fiber is the correct answer. Numerical aperture. The dash of an optical fiber is graphically representation of the magnitude of refractive index across the fiber. Index profile is the correct answer. The dash is the maximum angle to the fiber axis at which light may be enter the fiber axis in order to be propagated. Acceptance angle is the correct answer. Check the description box for more questions. These questions are very important for Anna University online examination. If you prepared for GATE or TANSET, This question is useful because so many basic questions asked from this question. For gate answered any competitive examination related to electronics, these are basic questions. Optical communication book product link I given in the description box, you will use it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel Chrome Tech. Share this video to your friends. Next video we'll see more important questions.